My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for 10 long years. These aren't infomercials. I try to give you the information you need. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I've been on national news many times. Go to my website at 777irs.com and you can learn all about me. Today I want to talk to you about the final notice of intent to levy. Ooh. Yeah, so as a former agent, I used to sign those notices of levies to go out and garnish money, bank, wages, file federal tax liens, see stuff. So the information I give you is kind of critical because it's the truth. It's coming from the IRS. Basically, I was the IRS, so I'm trying to tell you and shortcut a lot of the things for you. When you get this IRS final notice of intent to levy, this is kind of it. It's IRS's showtime notice. It's time for you to play ball. IRS has sent you kind of softer letters, but when you get this CP 504, the final notice, it usually comes certified. IRS doesn't send out certified mail just for kicks and giggles. IRS is letting you know it's the last warning. We are going to do this. You're going to get an an LT11 and a 1058 behind this, in which you get your collection due process rights. But this is the time that you have to have a game plan on what you're going to do with IRS. So what does that look like for you? Well, IRS is going to take a financial statement, and with that, you're either going to be putting currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or file for an offer and compromise. So which do you do? Well, it's which you're eligible for, really. Your financial statement, your 433A or 433F that you give IRS is going to dictate to IRS what they're going to do. You don't really have a choice. IRS is going to say this is what you're eligible for, and I have repeated this probably, if I have 5,000 YouTubes up, probably 4,000 times. If you don't know the IRS National Standard Program, don't get involved in this. Hire someone, because it is going to be a very bad hair day. But IRS will do what they say. Keep in mind, no one has your case. It's all in this big computer box. Big computer boxes, big servers, big everything. It's a K2 computer system, actually, is what it is, and it spits these levies out. How do you stop that? You call IRS. If you don't have nothing, you have nothing to lose. Pick up the phone. Nothing wrong with doing that. I have a couple people on Social Security. They make $3,000 or $4,000. That's all they make. Pick up the phone and call IRS. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you owe more major money or you have unfiled returns, don't call them, because you're not going to like the way it goes. Anyway, I'm always here. I'm here for representation. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription. If you have questions, you want to know neat stuff about IRS, let me know, and I'll do some videos. Thank you so much. Don't forget the subscription. Thank you.